Hey, it's Baby Lover 1994 here, now known as Sophie Mansell. This is just a video to ask you which alarm you'd want me to test when I get my 9-volt batteries. So there's this Xenon strobe, the Banshee sounder, the Gent heat sensor, this Gent sounder here, I'm sure it's called, the Roshni sounder, and this other Gent sounder. So if you'd like to comment and just tell me which alarm you'd like me to test, then I will try and test it when I get my 9-volt battery. I've also had this fire bell, at the end of last month. Been looking for one of these for ages and I finally got it. I don't know if all bells do this, but mine makes a bit of a noise when you tap on it. But then again, all bells might do that. And wait 1 minute. I have this Gent sounder, which looks like this one, but it's red, since I did that video of all my alarms. Okay, so just comment and let me know which alarm you want me to test. I'm not sure about the orange shaped one, because you don't have anything I can put a 9-volt battery on, and I ain't sure about this one either. Thanks for watching, and again, let me know which alarm you want me to test. Thank you, goodbye.